Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Istan Capital, and basically I'm going to show you guys how to grow small account, $30 account, $40 account, $50 account. I'm going to show you a simple strategy that has good risk to reward, and yeah, I'm going to show you how to apply this strategy. Check the case. I'm going to show you how to apply this strategy. Basically I will do it, and if you want to come, and before we get into the video, please subscribe, like this video, share this video with your friends. It's going to be very helpful. I'm going to show you guys how to do it. I'm not going to show you guys, oh, you need to buy here, you need to sell here, you need to buy here, you need to sell here. I'm going to show you guys a simple tweak you need to have in your brain. Simple tweak you need to have in your brain. Number one, stop trading break and retest on $50 account. Break and retest on $50 account. Stop doing it. Stop trading that shit. It does not work. You cannot trade break and retest on a $50 account. You, at the end of the day, you're gonna blow it. You could turn it to $200 tomorrow, and you're gonna lose it. I'm saying this from experience, guys. From experience, you need to trade something out of the ordinary. You need to follow the big banks. You need to know when they're going to make the most. I'm going to get into that later, but the general meaning is that you need to follow the big banks. You need to follow smart money. You cannot be risking 50 pips, 50 pips, 50 pips on a trade and trade 0.02. That means you're risking $10 from your $40, and this way you're gonna be stressed. You're be checking your phone at every time, and be praying to God that you do not want to lose this money. You do not want to lose this money. And at the end of the day, you make a profit at the beginning, but you're gonna lose everything. You're gonna lose everything. I'm telling you this from experience. I've never been able to grow in 50. I've never been able to compound on a $50 account. There's this even between flipping a $50 account, flipping a $50 account. You're going to go in this direction, and you just open the trade. It's possible to do that, to flip it, to $200 to $1,000, but to grow it, to compound it, is very hard, guys. It's very hard. I'm saying this from experience. Now, number one, you need to stop this method of trading, break and retest. You need to stop it. You need to stop it. You need to stop it, guys. Number two, work on risk to reward. Risk to reward. Risk to reward. What does this mean? Risk to reward means what you are risking to what your minimum reward is. Different forex mentors will tell you, take a trade that is 1 to 3, 1 to 4, but they do not tell you where your first target is. They do not tell you where your first target is. Now, if you have a strategy and you're taking first target, first profit at 0.5 risk to reward, that means your risk is 20 pips, and you're taking first target, first profit at 10 pips profit. This system would fail you, especially you guys trading small accounts. It would fail you. Now, if my strategy is called the SOS strategy. I'm not here to advertise a strategy to you guys. It's something I've been working on, and basically I started out with $100. I started out with $200, just like you guys, and my first ever forex account was funded by my mom, $120, if I'm not mistaken. Basically, I lost everything. I doubled the account in 2 weeks, and I lost everything. And I just discovered the reason why I lost everything is because I was taking half profit, at 1 to 1. I was taking half profit at 1 to 0.5. That means I was risking 40 pips, and I was taking profit at 20 pips. I was taking profit at 30 pips. I was taking profit at 10 pips. This will not make me money because you just need one bad run, and you're over. You're done. You're over. Just one bad month, and you're done. To be honest, guys, it's all it took to end my my first trading account was just one bad week, to be honest, guys. And no, but you need to work on your risk reward. The third thing you need to work on is your strategy, and the fourth thing you need to work on is your broker. Now, I'm going to talk about the broker first. You need to get a good broker. You need to get a good broker that, how do I put it, that the spread is low, is really, really low. 2 pips. The maximum pips, the maximum spread you need to have on Euro New Zealand is, I think, should be 4 pips, 4 to 5 pips. I see different brokers having 11 pips spread on Euro New Zealand, and you guys are trading this. You're not putting this spread into your calculations and everything like that. Now you need to add this, have this in your at the back of your mind, that you need to find a good broker that has Euro USD maximum should be 1 pip, 2 pip, GP USD 2 pips maximum. This trading with GPUSD 5 pips, 10 pips spread is not realistic, but that's just by the way. Now, to number 3, the strategy. Now, I don't know the strategy you guys are using, but if your strategy, the first take profit, the first target, where you close like half your position and everything, is not 1:3, you're using the wrong strategy, especially if you are trying to grow an $100 account, you're trying to grow a $50 account, you're trying to grow $200 account. I'm saying this from experience, guys. I'm saying this from experience. Now, let me up into my MetaTrader and show you guys something. All right. Yes. Now, this is a bad broker, a very bad broker. But we still did something with this broker. Now, my friend, a close friend of mine, he dared me to trade with $44 only. I was like, no man, I trade with $25 account. It was like $25,000 account, and I was like, no, trade with $44 account. Prove to me that what you preach about risk reward is true, and it can work on all and it can work on all accounts, irrespective of the equity. I was like, okay, how much? He said $45 account, $45. I deposited sorry, let this load. I made a deposit of $44. As you guys can see, the deposit, you can see the profit. We made $60 profit in 2 weeks. Now, I said I made this in 2 weeks. It's possible to make it in 1 week, but the takeaway from this is the risk reward. You can see loss. Now I was just capping, but I made sure that every time I lost money, I lost only $2. I lost only $1. I lost only $2. And when I won, I was winning 7, 5. Now scroll down. When I lost 4, 5. When I won, 13, 10, 14, 9, 15. As you guys can see, the risk reward on every winning trade is really, really high. Now this could be a 50%. This is a 50% chance, because this account I was not trading it strictly with my SOS strategy. I was trading it, I would make profit and I would want to trade again. And it happens. I know the emotions are involved with this kind of account. It happens, and it's the thing I'm going to say to you guys is that just try to keep your losses at the bare minimum. You cannot be risking $10 a trade on a $44 account, on a $100 account, on even a $200 account. It's not possible. You're going to lose it at the end, guys. You're going to lose your mind. I think I went on a winning streak here. And I was still risking. Then I risked this because I wanted to make a comeback or something like that. I wanted to make a comeback, but it happens. These trading emotions are there, But once you have a good system that tells you that okay, risk only risk only risk only $2, risk only $3, and when you win, you're winning $15, you're winning $10, you're winning 11, you're winning 12, you're winning 13, you're winning 14. That system, I will take it over any system any day. That's the secret to trading, guys. That's the secret to trading, to be honest. I'm happy, I make withdrawals every month, every week, basically every month. Now, if you want to get setups, let me explain to my strategy. I trade harmonics. And what does harmonics entails? Harmonics entails trading with Fibonacci. This is the ABCD pattern. This is the butterfly pattern. Now there are different calculations. There are different levels. There are different calculations. There are different levels. There are different things involved with this. It deals with the daily highs, the daily lows, the weekly highs, the weekly lows. So this strategy is I modified the harmonic pattern into, like, there are different strategies, there are different patterns that do not work on the harmonic patterns. Example is the Gartley pattern. They say 61.8, the D point is 78.6 or the 8.6. To be honest, it does not really work that way. Most of the time they just move above and drop later. So this is why I call this my strategy the SOS strategy. I know the harmonics that work, and when they work, So let me give you a quick tour into my free channel, the Juice Traders. Currently, we are seated at 183 subscribers. Yes, 183 subscribers, and sorry, 184 subscribers. Somebody just joined right now. Basically, we trade harmonics, guys. We trade harmonics. You can see this CHFGPY call that was made. Dropped on 40 plus pips. 40. You can see the drop, instant rejection, inside drop, the money we made. So this happens over and over again, and look at that. You can see the call. You can see it take profit. What again? Let me show you some things. This odd GPY. You can see the after. You can see the drop. Perfect trade. USD card. Perfect trade. You can see the after. Perfect trade. 130 pips floating. The Zealand USD. It seems also a massive trade that week. It was called in VIP. I sent that one to VIP. You can see this. Massive drop. So that's just basically how it works. And the main thing I want to take up from this is that not every strategy works 100%. I've seen different YouTube guys. I've been to their course. I've done that. I've done this. The only way you can actually make money through trading forex is your risk to reward. Having a system that gives you high risk to reward. And look at this EOGBP. It failed. Sorry. So the failed pattern. You can see that, and we lost only 15 pips. If this pattern had worked out, we would have banked in 75 pips. That is 1 to 5 risk reward. And we have banked in at TP1. TP1 was 50 pips. That is 1 to 3.5 risk reward. So this trade, if this trade comes up again, I will take it. You understand? This kind of setting, if it comes up again, I will take it. Personally, I'm showing you guys my this insight to my channel, my free channel. If you want to join this channel, just search the Juice Traders, or the Juice Traders. Can see our beautiful logo. A beautiful logo. Okay, this is better. And just risk to reward. That's the secret to compounding. Risk to reward. Take as much as take trades as much as you can. Take trades one after the other. That means when you're trading, take your first trade, watch it, trade, you lose at most $3, you lose at most $4. If you are trading a $10,000 account, the same thing applies. Now let me show you guys an app I use. I think this is the last thing I'll cover. This is the last thing I'll try to cover on this aspect. I would come consequent video, future videos. I will shed more light on this. I'm just rambling around, touching part. Now let's say you have an $100 account, and you're risking just 3% per trade. Let me say you're risking $3 per trade. All right, your stop loss is 15 pips. Sometimes let's say 12 pips, because our stop loss is usually 8 pips, 9 pips stop losses, except for trading GBP per se. Now calculate you're risking $3, and you're trading it doesn't work on Saturdays, or those on Saturdays. But anyway, I will show you guys how to use this app later. It just calculates the amount you're losing, and you can see that you're going to lose $3. You're gonna lose $3. And if your target is 1:3, that means they're going to make $9. You can lose $3 or make $9. Sorry about this. You can lose $3. Okay, you can lose $3 or make $9. With this mentality, you can kill any market, you can destroy any market. Now let's say in a week, during the week, you took trades on this and you lost 3 trades and you won only 2. You took 3 trades, you lost 3 trades and you won 2. You lost 3 trades, that is $3 times $3, that is $9. You lost only $9. And you won 2 trades, that is $18. That's 18 minus 9, guys. You made $9 for the week. And realistically, you're going to make a lot more than that. And if your hit rate is high, that means let's say you won 3 times, and you lost 2 times. That means you've lost only $6, and you won, that's $27. Guys, with this knowledge, you can actually kill any market. Just make sure that when you're winning high, and when you're losing low. And that's just my piece for you guys. That's my piece. Anyways, please like this video, subscribe. I'm going to come with more content. Sorry I use my phone for this, but this video warrants that I use my phone. Next, I'll try to use my laptop and do some market analysis and everything. Post some loss reading and stuff like that. But that's just by the way. Hope you guys apply what I've said to you guys. Work on your strategy back test. See areas where you're going to improve your risk reward. You're going to filter out losses. There are different things that go into this, guys. Just try and work on your strategy. Backtest a lot, guys. This was a good day. Backtest a lot. So anyway, that would be all for this video. Please share me love, subscribe to this channel, and peace.